What's the difference between success and failure on the keto diet? Two women, each 41, tried the keto diet. One shed several pounds in a week by eating perfectly. But then she went out and drank a margarita, and it was downhill from there. The second woman was also strict at first. She lost a few pounds the first week. And also went out to eat, but somehow nothing derailed her. She lost 3 dress sizes in 14 days. And felt unstoppable. There were no slip-ups and she was down 5 dress sizes within 4 weeks. So what made the difference? Most people on a new diet have no plan. They learn what to eat, and not to eat. They try new recipes. But they don't have a daily plan to carry them through that critical first month. Without a plan, it's too easy to fall for peer pressure, to be unprepared, and to make bad decisions. So why do it? We've guided over 416,387 people to success. Simply follow this plan and you will succeed. The 28-Day Keto Challenge is a well-crafted plan that gets you through your first month. You're never left to figure things out on your own. Nothing is left to chance. Our 28-day meal plan guides you every step of the way. And it's more than a plan. It's also a challenge. It's designed to stretch you and see what you're made of. With our help, you'll be unstoppable. It's time to take the 28-day Keto Challenge. Sign up now and get our 28-day meal plan and 10 expert guides to educate and inspire you. 1. Keto Diet Basics. To get started, you'll learn the basics of the keto diet, how it was developed, how it works, 13 tips for success, foods to enjoy, and more. 2. Eating well on keto. In this guide, you'll get 10 breakfast recipes, 14 lunch recipes, and 14 dinner recipes, plus a companion 28-day meal plan calendar. 3. Staying in ketosis. You'll learn how to get into ketosis in as little as 3 days, how to know if you're in ketosis, and much more. 4. Mastering macros. Learn how to calculate your macronutrients and maintain the proper ratios to stay in ketosis. 5. Beating keto flu. What the keto flu is and how to make it go away quickly if you experience any symptoms. 6. Intermittent fasting. Learn about 5 different styles of intermittent fasting to kickstart ketosis and accelerate fat loss. 7. Social situations. Discover healthy ways of dealing with social pressures. Includes tips for eating out and guidelines for drinking alcohol. This is what makes weight loss sustainable. 8. Guilt-free desserts. This cookbook contains 36 mouth-watering, fat bomb recipes that will satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping you in ketosis. 9. Yummy avocado recipes. Discover 5 unique keto-friendly ways to prepare avocados. Yum! 10. Keto Supplements Guide. Learn about 12 of the best keto supplements that will help you transition to ketosis and make the ketogenic diet more effective. Warning: if you can't afford a new wardrobe, do not take our 28-day keto challenge. Our challenge is famous for results. Be lighter and thinner. It's not uncommon to drop 4+ jean sizes. Have more energy than you've felt in years. Sleep better and wake up more rested. Notice your skin and hair improve. Feel a sense of accomplishment. Best of all, you'll gain momentum with your new keto lifestyle. Start the 28-day keto challenge right now. Click Get Access now and make a one-time payment of only $37. Everything is delivered digitally so you can start right away. Many clients lose up to 3 inches from their waist in the first week. The 28-day keto challenge is 100% risk-free, which means you could complete it twice and still get a full refund. Do you have what it takes to complete the 28-day keto challenge? Step up and prove what you're made of. Start your transformation now.